April 2nd here. I'm working on the tongues of the first allegorical sea monster here. Red ink. How many tongues do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jeden, dva, sto, čtyři, pięć. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, there we go. I knew that music was familiar from West Side Story, Leonard Bernstein. Wow. Brings me back. All right, coming along. I think I'm going to add some white opaque dots in and around the eyes and around the outer skin or flesh, outer skin of the allegorical sea monster here. I'm almost tempted to draw some red in the teeth, but I'm going to wait on that. Yeah, let's do a couple. Why not? It keeps on fading into the white. Okay. All right, I think that's it for now. Paper's coming up. Too much liquid there. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I'll have to let that dry. I think it'll work. All right. Karen Hunt of blessed memory, murdered at age 20. Donald Trump praised the Libyan dictator who took responsibility for the bombing of Pan Am Flight 103 which exploded over Lockerbie, Scotland in 1988. It really hit me hard at the time. I was in Scotland for 5 months in 1987 while I was international artist in residence at the Aberdeen Art Gallery. Years later, I was back in Scotland, a lot teaching in schools all over. Numerous teaching trips. Thank you, birds. Yep. Okay. Birds have the right idea. At least my birds, parakeets, non-sectarian. They don't go around with guns and bombs and what have you. All right, there we have it.